Sometimes while working with Excel, there is a need to see the formula in a cell along with the result. In such cases, we have two options, Ctrl plus tilde or the formula text option. Let's understand these two with an example. In this sheet, there is a pricing calculation done. We have a few elements that comprise the total fee. Then there is an element of discount, and finally the tax is added to arrive at the total fee. The first method to see the formulas behind these calculations are to click Ctrl and tilde. You'll see the values as it is where there are no formulas, and wherever there is a formula, Ctrl and tilde will display that. Now the challenge with this is we can either see the values or the formula. Toggle back. Let's look at another option. In the cells next to where a formula is, I will write a function called FORMULATEXT. Function takes only one parameter, which is the cell reference for which you want to display the formula. As you can see, it displays the formula used in the cell B5. As I copy it, I get the formula for all the other cells too. It is as easy as that. You can use either of the two options based on your preference. I use these options in two different scenarios. First, when I need to resolve an error in the formulas in my sheet, displaying the formulas help me in that process. The second use case for me is when someone sends a sheet for review, it helps me to quickly take a look at all the formulas and how the values are getting calculated. You can use the option which you find more convenient. So that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Analytics Success for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.